It's time to announce the drone video of the month winner for August. Here's how the contest works. Every single drone video uploaded to AirVuz.com from August 1st through August 31st was automatically entered into our Drone Video of the Week contests. During each weekly contest, 5 videos are selected, and one is crowned the Drone Video of the Week and given a $250 prize. Then, each of the Drone Video of the Week winners moves on to the Drone Video of the Month contest. The team at AirVuz votes, and then one video is selected to win an additional $500. Let's take a quick look back at all of the Drone Video of the Week winners from August. The Beauty of Madeira, Oberschneider.com. Retrospective 2021, Freeway Prod. Namibia, Africa, DJI Air 2S 4K, Dave TKE 2002. The City of Fog, Hong Kong, Cash. Mythical Ireland, Drone Photography Ireland. We've put the links to the full videos in the description below. And now, the one being named the Drone Video of the Month for August and winning the $500 prize is Namibia, Africa, DJI Air 2S 4K by Dave TKE 2002. Drone hobbyist Dave TKE 2002 recorded this incredible aerial footage while working with Green Rhino Adventures on a trip to Namibia. While Dave TKE 2002 describes his video as, quote, amateur, we at AirVuz were amazed at the variety of landscapes and wildlife he was able to capture. Congratulations, Dave TKE 2002.